Welcome to Cool Science with Eusebio Merlay, which is me.
Raise up your glasses and cheer without delay for Eusebio Merlay, 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 Merlay.
I am the only scientist willing to dissect his own cold for the good of...
Achoo!
For humanity. Have you ever wondered why your body suddenly decides to produce mucus like there's no tomorrow? And why we cough? Why we get a fever? None of this is random. It's pure biological strategy. Your body doesn't give up. It organizes itself. It defends itself. And although it may not seem like it, it does it with precision and a bit of showmanship. When a virus enters through your nose, the rhinovirus, the most common cold virus, your cells detect it as an intruder. And then the white blood cells launch their attack. And the blood vessels in your nose widen to let them through. That traffic jam is inflammation. The tissues swell, the nose narrows, and suddenly breathing becomes harder. And when there's so much blood and so much fluid coming and going, the mucosa, like a living sponge, gets overly soaked. It gets congested. Your nose becomes a tiny flooded neighborhood where everything moves slower. It starts producing mucus. First, a very light, transparent mucus, almost all water, like a gentle rain trying to wash and trap the enemy. But that only works if the virus is just passing through. As soon as a virus manages to sneak inside a cell, that's when the real problem begins. This is a cell, and the virus uses it as if it were a factory to make thousands of copies of itself. While your defenses are trying to stop the first intruder, there are already hundreds or thousands escaping out the back door, like freshly printed copies. At that moment, the body switches to full battle mode. The mucus festival has just begun. Mucus is a biological barrier. It's made of water, salts, proteins, and mucins, the things that make it sticky, and antibodies that hunt the virus. At first, it's transparent because it's full of water and your body is just trying to rimp and sweep the invader away. But when the white blood cells jump into action and start dying in combat, they release an enzyme called myeloperoxidase, rich in iron, and that turns the mucus green or yellow. That scary color. It's actually heroism. Your defenses fought to the end, and the green is their medal. The greener it is, the fiercer the battle. Each used tissue is a small victory for biology. A cough is an air cannon, expelling what mucus can't sweep away. And fever, that human oven feeling.
You have a fever.
Is a thermal strategy. By raising the temperature, your body slows the virus down and speeds up the defenses. Your body literally cooks the intruders. Slow cooked, foolproof recipe. So next time you're stuffed, coughing and feverish, remember you're at war. Your body doesn't surrender. It strikes back. And if you see a particularly brave little blob of mucus, thank it for its service.
By lamplight he rides through the depth of the night. Eusebio Merlay, a sage of rare sight, with compass and quill and with charts of the sea. He chases the worlds he is longing to see. Raise up your glass and let all voices say to Eusebio Merlay, 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 Merlay. Adventure curious and